Zanzibar Island, located off the coast of Tanzania, offers a captivating blend of pristine beaches, rich history, and vibrant culture. Here are some of the best places to visit on Zanzibar Island. Stone Town. Start your exploration in Stone Town, the island's historic heart and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Get lost in its narrow streets, visit the old fort, explore the bustling markets, and marvel at the intricate architecture that reflects Arab, Indian, and European influences. Prison Island. Take a boat trip to Prison Island, also known as Canggu Island, located just off the coast of Stone Town. Explore the ruins of the old prison, spot giant algebra tortoises, and enjoy snorkeling in the crystal-clear waters. Nungwi. Head to Nungwi, a lively village situated on the northern tip of the island. Relax on the beautiful white sand beaches, indulge in water sports like snorkeling and diving, and witness breathtaking sunsets. You can also visit the Nungwi Aquarium and the Mnarani Marine Turtle Conservation Pond. Jozani Forest. Discover the Jozani Forest, a protected area known for its unique flora and fauna. Embark on a guided nature walk through the forest and encounter the endemic Kirk's red colobus monkeys, as well as other wildlife species. Spice plantations. Zanzibar is renowned as the Spice Island, due to its history of spice production. Take a tour of one of the spice plantations to learn about the island's spice trade, see aromatic plants like cloves, nutmeg, and cinnamon, and enjoy a traditional Swahili lunch. Kendwa Beach. Visit Kendwa Beach, located on the northwest coast, which is famous for its pristine white sand and turquoise waters. This picturesque beach offers opportunities for sunbathing, swimming, and beachside relaxation. Nemba Atoll. If you're a diving or snorkeling enthusiast, consider a trip to Nemba Atoll. This coral reef ecosystem is renowned for its rich marine life, including colorful coral formations, tropical fish, and even dolphins and whale sharks if you're lucky. Paje. Paje is a popular spot for kiteboarding and windsurfing enthusiasts due to its consistent winds and expansive beaches. Even if you're not into water sports, you can still enjoy the laid-back atmosphere and picturesque surroundings. These are just a few highlights, but Zanzibar Island has much more to offer, including beautiful beaches, fascinating history, delicious cuisine, and warm hospitality. Exploring the island will give you a unique experience and a deeper appreciation for its cultural and natural wonders.